Hello everyone and welcome to another video from me, and in today's video I would like to share with you quite a nice experience I've had through YouTube, because some weeks ago Keith from Keith's Models and RC, which you can see right now, he contacted me and told me that he has a kit that I would definitely enjoy. We exchanged a couple of messages, and just this weekend I find this quite big box waiting for me outside. So I would like to share the excitement with all of you and see what exactly is included inside this box. Check out Keith's channel, where he has some great content. He always uploads different types of videos, builds, always related to our hobby. He has some interesting content which I'm sure that you will find interesting, just like I do. So let's go on ahead with the opening. So I can see a Revell Porsche box over here. However, there is something else inside. Now I know what's more. Hey Carl. So as you can see, there's the box, an empty Porsche 928 box that was turned around together with some foam packing to make sure that the kit arrives in great condition. As you can see, it arrived perfectly. Thank you for the great box. Let's begin with the message, with the envelope. Hey Carl, bro, hope you have fun with the kit when you get it. As you can see, I got it, and I'm sure that I will enjoy building this Suzuki Alto, because Keith knows that I'm a big fan of the K-car scene in Japan, and he definitely realized that I would enjoy such a small car. Let's open the letter, the envelope, and see what is also included. And of course, yes, I can see that Keith sent me his shop card, and it clearly shows his channel, Keith Models and RCs, also his premiere photo on YouTube. Alright, thank you very much, Keith. I will definitely keep this where I am working to cherish the friendship that we build among our YouTube community. So let's open the tape. This is an 80s kit from Fujimi, which is the Suzuki Alto Works N1. At that era, Fujimi was building lots of different types of kits. Let's take a look around at how it can be once it is finished. Alright, very nice. Over here, Fujimi were also making adverts for their other kits, which you could buy at that era. Let's open and have a look what is included with this kit. Okay, some extra packing from Keith. Thank you very much, my friend. And also you can see much more packing, making sure that the kit arrived safely at my home, something which it definitely did. Okay, we can see a small but cute body. Right, quite a nice kit, especially for the age. Some flash marks to remove, mold marks and stuff. However, doesn't look like it's a major job, especially considering the age of the kit. So that's the body. We have the first sprue. Let's open it up so that we can see a better look, where we also have the chassis. Okay, most of the interior bits together with the bumpers. We have both front and rear bumpers, bigger bumpers, because it is the Alto Works version. Two different types of steering wheels. However, if I'm okay, over here we have the other steering, and over here we have the other seat. So you have a racing seat and a steering wheel also included, a right-hand drive dashboard, proper K-car. We also have the side skirts, nice addition compared to a standard Suzuki Alto version. Okay. What's more, over here we have the racing part, because this sprue includes the seat and also the roll cage components, which you can see, very nice. And oops, those are the windows, clear parts, and also the headlights and taillights. Okay. And the last sprue of this fairly simple kit, however I'm sure that it will be one that I will enjoy, is the interior tab, sportier steering, some more interior parts, wipers, and finally the rims that Fujimi are giving us with this kit. Alright, finally we have the instruction manual, which is quite basic 4-page instruction manual. As we can see, as I've said, it's a basic kit, so not much parts to describe where they need to be attached. However, I can also see that it has quite a big rear spoiler, so I'm sure that it will be quite a cool kit to build. The bigger bumpers, alright, very nice. And also the decal sheet, which I must say that for the age, it has held completely well, no cracking, just some minor yellowing, however no big deal, because it's still a great decal sheet. The decals are quite intact, and I'm sure they will attach nicely when it comes to attaching them to the body. So that is all there is to say. Once again, I thank you very much, Keith. This is a gift which I will definitely cherish and enjoy building. Thank you for your friendship. That's something that is very appreciated. I will definitely enjoy this kit, as you've said. And also, for everyone watching this video, have a good look at Keith's channel, which I am also leaving a link in this video's description. Thank you very much, everyone, and I will see you in my next video.